This is my ice table. Ice table. Okay. That's ice. The car is ice. Everything is ice. Why is everything ice right now? Can't deal with it. It's just ice. It is just ice. Oh no, that's glass. But at least this is ice. Ice. It's all ice now. And it is -1 Celsius outside. In Fahrenheit, that's like 32 or 31. Oh my, no, not the hit. This wind is so windy. And it is this cold outside. Did this froze? No. But this froze. Oh my, what just hit me behind me? Just a giant piece of ice. This froze? Yep, this froze. This froze? Yes. This froze? A little. Okay. This is so cold. And why does it have to be this windy? It's like 15 miles an hour winds. Like almost 20 right now. Miles an hour winds. The hottest is gonna be today is 35. The coldest is 28. Look at the snow. No, I mean ice. Everything is ice.